When it comes to window installation, homeowners want to choose a company they can trust, one that offers quality, professionalism, and reliability. If you're considering upgrading your windows or installing new ones, Alliance Homes Inc. is the company that can meet all your needs. With years of experience in the industry and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Alliance Homes Inc. stands out as one of the best choices for window installation. Here are the top benefits of choosing them for your next project. Expert installation and skilled craftsmanship. One of the most important factors in any home improvement project is the quality of the work. Alliance Homes Inc. prides itself on providing expert installation services. Their team of skilled professionals is trained to handle all types of window installations, from traditional single-pane windows to modern energy-efficient designs. The precision and attention to detail that the team brings to every installation ensure that your windows are installed correctly the first time, avoiding any costly mistakes or future repairs. Wide range of window options. Alliance Homes Inc. offers an extensive selection of windows to suit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for sleek modern windows, charming traditional styles, or energy-efficient models, they have it all. With a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and more, customers can choose windows that match their home's aesthetic and budget. Not only do they offer a wide selection of window styles and materials, but their team also helps guide you in selecting the best option for your home, ensuring you get the most value and functionality. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever. Old, inefficient windows can lead to higher energy bills as they allow heat to escape during the winter and let cool air out in the summer. By upgrading to high-quality, energy-efficient windows from Alliance Homes Inc., homeowners can reduce their energy consumption and save money over time. The company offers windows that are specifically designed to improve insulation and reduce drafts, keeping your home comfortable all year round. Choosing energy-efficient windows is not just a smart financial decision, it's also an environmentally responsible choice that reduces your carbon footprint. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. New windows can dramatically transform the appearance of your home. Whether you're looking to increase the curb appeal of your home before selling or simply want to enhance its beauty, Alliance Homes Inc. can help you choose windows that elevate your home's exterior. Their wide selection of window styles allows you to select the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Additionally, new windows can increase your home's value, making it a smart investment. Potential buyers will appreciate the modern, clean look of new windows, and they will also be attracted to the energy efficiency that comes with them. Professional, friendly service. From the moment you contact Alliance Homes Inc., you'll experience a level of professionalism and customer service that sets them apart from other companies. The staff takes the time to listen to your needs and concerns and works with you to find the best solution for your window installation. Whether it's scheduling a free consultation or walking you through the different options, their team is always courteous, respectful, and attentive. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction ensures that every project is completed to your exact specifications. Competitive pricing and financing options. Home improvement projects can be expensive, but Alliance Homes Inc. offers competitive pricing that makes window installation more affordable. They understand that every budget is different, which is why they work with you to find a solution that fits your financial situation. They also offer various financing options to make the process even more accessible. With Alliance Homes Inc., you can get high-quality windows installed without breaking the bank. Long-term warranty and support. Alliance Homes Inc. stands behind their work with long-term warranties on both the windows and the installation process. This commitment to quality means that you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. If any issues arise, their team is always ready to provide ongoing support and service. The company's dedication to its customers doesn't end after the installation is complete. They're there for the long haul. Conclusion. Choosing the right company for your window installation project is a big decision, and with Alliance Homes Inc., you can rest assured that you're in good hands. From expert installation to energy-efficient options, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service, they provide everything you need for a successful window installation. If you're looking for quality, reliability, and professionalism, Alliance Homes Inc. is the clear choice for your next window installation project.